Meaning of fitness.
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 Fitness. Fitness refers to the state of being physically and mentally healthy, often as a result of regular exercise and proper nutrition. It is characterized by a range of factors, including strength, endurance, flexibility, body composition, and cardiovascular health. Individuals who are fit generally have more energy, better physical function, and reduced risk for chronic diseases such as diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and certain types of cancer. Maintaining fitness requires consistent effort and a commitment to healthy habits, but the benefits can be significant for overall health and quality of life.